cold start. Sorry, neighbors. My neighbor is probably full. Yeah, my neighbor probably hates me. He's all right. We're gonna go for a little drive and see what's going on. And so y'all can hear it too. Oh man. I guess I gotta put the seatbelt on. Didn't really want to, but alright. Does not sound bad for being Catless and stage 1 too. Ooh, nice. But I'm gonna try to do like a wide open throttle in like second gear. Try my best because I'm recording with one, driving with one hand and recording with the other one. Since I don't have a GoPro or a mount for the phone or anything like that. Here we go. Holy shit. That's some shit. Woo! I think that was a pretty solid little run there on a stage 1 tune. I have tried the E30 stage 2 plus tune on this, and I feel like it does. It's quick and everything. It has the power. It's just my clutch is old, so it's slipping on like if I just step. I'll show y'all, but on the other tune. So this is why I put the stage 1 tune in it, and because I kept running out of E and there's no E near me. I have to drive to Hutto, which is like 25 minutes away. Try to do another pull here like in second. We'll try to brake boost it. For now, this is pretty good. And I mean, I don't really want the car like to drive anything crazy. just because this is the car I used to pick up my son and daily driving stuff. Stay tuned for the Stage 2 Plus E50. Once I do all the maintenance to this car, basically, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I just need to do basically all the gaskets and stuff, and then from there we'll see. Oh, that little Jeep. It doesn't sound bad though, like, you know. I think for a stock turbo and being the size that it is, it does okay. I just think, man, the freaking shift on the manual, man, it just sounds so good. So good. I cannot get it over that shit. Y'all watch this second and third shift. I'm gonna try to do it quick too, so you know it sounds pretty good. But here we go. Yeah, it's definitely a challenge driving with one hand and switching gears and stuff, but really trying here, so. All right, so gotta go home, take care of my son real quick though. Man, this guy does have some clean ass whips though. That's a clean third gen and stuff. Turbo sounds so good to me. Right there should be pretty good, but not bad, yeah. Cold start, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, Catless downpipe. Ooh. Please.
Got that main chill, bro.